Milo, tiny mouse, dreamed big under blue sky. He loved watching flowers grow, trees sway, and butterflies dance in the sunlight. But one summer, the meadow became very dry. The flowers drooped, the grass turned brown, and the little stream trickled into almost nothing. Milo sighed. I wish I could help my meadow friends. That night, under the twinkling stars, Milo found a shiny watering can hidden under a tree. It sparkled with golden light and whispered softly, "Use me with kindness, and magic will bloom." Helping with kindness? The next morning, Milo filled the watering can with a few drops of water. He sprinkled it gently on a wilted flower. Suddenly, sparkle, sparkle. The flower stood tall, its petals shining brighter than ever before. "Wow," said Milo. "This can is magical." He rushed to his friends. Rosie sighed, "Carrots tiny." Milo smiled. "I help." He poured a little water on the soil. With a sparkle, the carrots grew tall and strong. Rosie clapped her paws. "Thank you, Milo. You turned my garden happy again." Next, Milo visited Tina the turtle. "My pond is shrinking," Tina said slowly. Milo tipped the watering can. The water sparkled and spread, filling the pond. Fish swam happily, and Tina splashed with joy. "You've saved my home, Milo," said Tina wisely. "Kindness is the greatest magic." Milo shares the secret. Day after day, Milo helped the meadow. He watered flowers, grew fresh grass for the deer, and even made tiny mushrooms pop up for the squirrels. 3. The animals cheered, "Milo the helper mouse." But Milo always said, "It's not just the can. It's using it with love that makes the magic." The big lesson. One evening, the watering can's golden light began to fade. Milo worried, "Oh no, is the magic gone?" But Tina the turtle smiled. Magic never leaves when kindness stays in your heart. Milo realized the truth. Helping others, sharing, and caring are the real magic. The watering can glowed one last time and gently disappeared into the stars. From that day on, Milo still helped his friends without magic, but with kindness. The flowers grew, the meadow sparkled, and all the animals were happy. At bedtime, Milo curled up under the moonlight and whispered, "Kindness makes the world bloom." And the stars twinkled back, as if they agreed. The end.
Milo found a shiny can, shiny can, shiny can. Milo found a shiny can, magic in his hand. Pour, pour, waterfalls, flowers grow up nice and tall. Pour, pour, waterfalls, magic helps us all. Milo helps his bunny friend, carrots grow and never end. Milo helps his bunny friend, kindness we can send. Milo helps the turtles pond, fish all swim and dance along. Milo helps the turtles pond, kindness makes us strong. Magic can is shining bright, Milo whispers soft goodnight. Helping others feels so right, kindness is our light.